Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're going to talk about tree here on the short box. Tree, oh my God, this is such a fun exercise and has so many elements to it. If you hate it, then it's because you need it. So let's talk about it a little bit. It comes in the short box series. It comes towards the end for a reason. But the tree isn't just like something you haven't experienced before. It's definitely your one-leg elephant. It's definitely your single straight leg stretch. It's your roll up, right? It's your tendon stretch. It's your tendon stretch one leg to the back. So if you're wanting to do some of these more advanced exercises, you really have to get down and dirty and fall in love with the tree. I have 2 springs on and I have 2 straps on, and my straps are on the base of my feet rather, so that I'm not pulling back. I'm not pulling on the straps with my toes. I'm pulling back with my feet and I can have long legs. Then you bring one knee in and you're going to make sure your hips are square. I see a lot of people do this and it's fine, but it does tend to change how you hold yourself up with your arm, and you're more in your pec. And I do want you to be more in your back. So make sure you're in your back first before you do this, and just keep that. And then you straighten and bend the leg 1 to 3 times. And this isn't, I see people do this. It's not a flinging exercise, right? You want to really reach and reach, and you're stretching your hamstring and your lower back. So my thigh bone doesn't get to move, right? Like it's not going this way. It's staying exactly where it is. And then you walk all the way up and you can flex and point your feet. You can circle. Ooh, there's a nice stretch there when you circle. And then you pull your head towards your knee. And again, your arms are connected to your back and you rock back. Now this seat is still working, right? It's working and I'm keeping my hips really square. Then as you walk your hands down your leg, you're not falling, you're articulating. And then you round up. And you grab, and when you walk up your leg, remember your arms are connected to your back, you're rounding your spine, you pull your head towards your knee. And then you walk back down, nice long spine, open the chest, and then pull your stomach in and walk it back up. Now, that could be your treat. You also don't have to go all the way down. Make sure you're not leading with your head, right? So we're not going like this and then leading with the head. You're rolling your spine down. You can also take your hands and grab underneath the reformer and give yourself a stretch, right? You can grab the sides. I have an 80-inch reformer, so it's shorter. Or you can put your hands down on the floor, come into a back bend, and do 3 circles in both directions. And then make sure you have length in both your legs and your arms, so you're not shoving your lower back up. And then use your stomach to walk yourself back up. Sit up really tall and do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so if you notice one of your hips likes to hike more than another, that means you need a lot more seat. And I would strongly encourage you doing some single leg springs on the Cadillac, coming back here. Also, go from this to your elephant, back and forth. If you're really trying to practice where that reach comes from, it will really help you. Don't shorten your lower back, and then again, not climbing from your biceps. Make the climb happen from your back, because you never know when you need to rock climb, right? If you have questions about the tree, I'd love to hear them in the comments below. I love to make sure that the tree is in our online classes, so try not to skip it. If you're looking for some reason and someone to guide you through it every week, join me at onlinepilatesclasses.com for our online mat and reformer classes. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.